Hello, and welcome to this new session of my course, Animated Multimedia Application Design, where we will explore the visual modality of multimedia applications. Let's begin with the first medium in the visual modality, text. Text is a collection of symbols which, when arranged according to grammatical rules, convey meaning. Interaction through text is straightforward. Numeric data or codes are mapped to symbols, and symbols are interpreted as information. Utility of text provides additional information and details, clarifies or translates communication, describes contexts and situations. Interpretation of text. Each symbol corresponds to a semantic value, enabling the construction of meaning. Key tools for handling text include lexical analyzers, syntax analyzers, and semantic parsers, each contributing to the processing and interpretation of symbols and meaning. From an implementation perspective, text is the simplest modality to manage, requiring minimal storage space, supporting efficient encoding, and offering ease of processing and manipulation. Whatever the perceptual dimension, reproducing it on a machine requires an understanding of the underlying perceptual process. In the case of vision, an image is mentally reconstructed after light reflects off objects, is captured by the retina, and then transmitted to the brain for interpretation. This same process is mirrored in a camera. Images of the external world are acquired through light capture, while the brain's role is replaced by processors and computational processes. Let us now move on to the modeling of the image, the first model being the pixel-based representation, or bitmap. In this approach, the image is decomposed into pixels, or sampling, and each pixel is assigned a value, or quantization. The number of bits used to represent this value determines the image depth. To display the image, a color model must be defined in order to reproduce the correct colors on the screen. Such models may include grayscale, RGB, or others. The size of the image in pixels is referred to as its resolution, while the maximum number of pixels that can be displayed on a screen is known as the display definition. The second model is vector representation. In this approach, the image is described using geometric primitives, transformations such as translation, rotation, and scaling, as well as visual rendering attributes like color. A hierarchy of primitives and transformations can be defined to optimize the organization of models. Regardless of the image format, the rendering on a screen is always pixel-based. A vector image must ultimately be converted into a pixel representation for display or printing. Image media can be categorized into different types. Still images are static visual representations, while moving images consist of dynamic sequences that create the perception of motion. These moving images may take the form of video, computer animation, or motion graphics. Advanced tools for working with image media include a wide range of software solutions. For image editing, applications such as Photoshop and GIMP are widely used. Vector design can be achieved with tools like Illustrator and Inkscape. Video editing and post-production rely on professional software such as Premiere and After Effects. Finally, rendering engines and animation software, including Blender and Unity, provide powerful platforms for creating 3D models, animations, and immersive visual content. In terms of implementation, raster images typically require significant storage space, which is why compression formats such as JPEG and PNG are commonly used. Vector images, on the other hand, require less storage and allow for easy transformations, such as scaling or rotation. Videos and animations consist of continuous sequences of images, demanding high bandwidth.
However, they are made manageable through efficient compression techniques provided by formats like MPEG, MP4, or AVI. The utility of visual media lies in its versatility and impact. It enables the representation of real or simulated environments, supports the communication of abstract concepts through diagrams and illustrations, and enhances user engagement by means of animations and visual storytelling.